so today's project is we're going to mess up his axle and do a 13 bolt diff cover modification where we cut off this huge nasty lip off the bottom of a 14 bolt with the death wheel, 7-inch death wheel. I'm sure that's the correct tool for the job. So here we go.
So what diff cover are you going with?
The Motobilt 13 bolt.
Which will give you another
1.25 inches of clearance.
So another 1/4 inch from here. So it's middle of that bolt hole, right?
About, actually I think it's the bottom of the top of the bolt hole.
So this is
upside down.
This is 1 inch. So yeah, it's almost at the bottom tangent, bottom quadrant of that bolt hole.
So when that comes in, we'll finish grinding it off because you've got a kick on it. So this is probably right. This is probably too high.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. All right.
Let him break some metal dust for a little while.
That was easy enough. That's really simple.
Told you. Right tool for the job.
14 bolts of goodness.
13 bolts.
13 bolts of goodness. That's a big old chunk.
Yeah, it's still a little more big.
A bit.
All right, so our 14 bolt we have shaved that is not straight at all. We're gonna pressure wash it before we install his 513 gears. This has been sitting in several people's storages for several years, so we're gonna get all of the gunk and the crap out of it before we do a fresh gear install on it. As you can tell, 4-link rear for a YJ. Fun stuff.
Yeah.
So here's the difference between a 14 bolt and a 46 CJ2A Dana 27 front. Beef? No beef.
Put these in your closet, but
So we have a powder coat booth and we have powder coat, and Clint hates us because we now have an orange pinion guard for his 14 bolt.
It's true. It's true. I'm not. My wife loves it.
And it's not just orange, it's sparkly orange. It's great.
Detroit locker and a 14 bolt. Looks like they have a bolt with a wing nut because the springs push it apart pretty big. I don't think you could do this without doing that. Hopefully the washer will come back out through the hole there. We'll see. And 5/38 beef. Alright, where are the bolts?
That's a thrust washer for both sides.
Nice gritty sound's always good. It's always good to make sure you put extra red Loctite on your bolts. That way if you ever have to take it off, it really sucks. All right, torque them bitches.